Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. So in today's video we're going to do a snack board, a holiday snack board. We often do these at the holiday time. I just take my big wooden cutting board and I fill it with lots of goodies to kind of snack on or graze on over a couple of hours while I'm making a larger meal. I always include 5 things. I always include a protein, a fat, a vegetable, a fruit, and a starch on my snack boards, and then you get a complete meal. People can kind of pick and choose what they want, but at least there's an option for all of the things that you need in your diet to have a balance. So have a look at this one. You can put any fruits and vegetables, you can put anything on it that you want, really. So if you stay to those categories, you can, sky's the limit, whatever you want to do. I did prosciutto and turkey for my proteins. I did olives for my fats. You'll see I did a bunch of different berries and things like that, and figs, which are my favorite, for the fruit, and we did some cut up vegetables, radishes and carrots and things. So have a look at it. Hopefully it inspires you. Maybe this is something that can work for you and your family this holiday season. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking.
I got a lot of lessons left to learn, but I'm not even close. Through my inhibition, I've become quite sure that I love you the most. That this could be the easiest thing if I'd let it, but I'm too afraid of losing it all. 'Cause if I leave everything on the table, then you might break my heart. But I know a love like this doesn't come around every day, and I just can't bring myself to give up right now. Not this way, 'cause I love you and I wanna hold you when we're old and gray. Oh, a love like this don't come around, don't come around every day. Sure of myself or anyone else, but here I am with you. So I'll put my hesitations on the shelf, 'cause this is what I choose. This will be the easiest thing if I let it, and I can't be too afraid to fall. So I'm leaving everything on the table. You can have my heart. Oh, I know a love like this doesn't come around every day, and I just can't bring myself to give up right now. Not this way, 'cause I love you and I wanna hold you when we're old and gray. Oh, a love like this don't come around, don't come around every day. Every day. Every day. Every day. So I'm eating everything on the table, 'cause you can have my heart. Oh, I know a love like this doesn't come around every day, and I just can't bring myself to give up right now. Not this way, 'cause I love